Once you've signed up for Fidesic, approving invoices is easy. You'll receive an email notification right to your inbox that'll direct you to your login. You'll simply need to use your login that you created during the initial sign-up process to access the site. If you're having trouble logging in, you can use our lost your password prompt, or you can just contact support. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see invoices that currently require your approval. Right here it's highlighted one invoice to approve. If you don't see that here, you can always access your approval queue by going to your tasks and unapproved invoices. This holds all the invoices in your queue that need your attention. All basic info is displayed here, including the PDF of the original scan of the invoice in question. All the basic information is displayed. If you need more info on this invoice, you can click View Invoice. This will take you to the invoice detail page, which contains all the other information that we have stored on the document. Again, you've got your PDF, you've got your options, you've got a full invoice history. This is a great place to go to look up any changes that were made. If you're curious where the invoice stands in the current workflow, you can click on the Workflow tab. From here, you're able to see all of the users that have been assigned, as well as their notification status. As you can see here, it was assigned to this user at 3:52 p.m. Makes it easy to keep track of who's been notified. You can approve an invoice from this screen, void it, or adjust it, and all of this can be done from the Unapproved Invoices tab as well. So you can view your invoice, edit your invoice, or edit the approvers all from this screen. If you click on the Edit Invoice button, you will be taken to a page where you can make any changes to this document. It is worth noting, however, if you make a fundamental change to this document, it is going to reset the workflow that has been applied. So if you see something that's incorrect, best course is to make a change, add an additional GL code, for example, click Save, and then that invoice will be rerouted based on the new information. If this all looks good to you, you can simply approve it from this screen by checking the tick box here and clicking Approve, or if you need more detail, View Invoice and then click Approve here as well. When you approve your invoices from here, you're able to enter your notes in here. Entering your notes will be attached to this invoice throughout the process, and the next approver in line will be able to see exactly what you wrote here. So this is a great way to attach additional information. If you need to attach a packing slip or any other document, simply click Browse here, and you'll be able to attach an additional document right from this window as well. This looks good. I will click Approve. This invoice is now approved and moves on to the next stage in the process. From our Invoices Received tab, we're going to have access to all invoices that are within the system that you have access to see. These documents are searchable based on any of the fields here. Makes it nice and easy to find what you need. And we also have our advanced search, which allows you to search on what the current status is, any due dates, or any type of invoice here. And you can segment and look up your old lists. Once you've got the data set that you like, we make it easy to export to Excel. Simply click that, click Export, and you've got a report pushed out for all of these invoices. If you have any more questions about using the system, check out our other videos at youtube.com/enlivensoftware, or contact us direct at sales@enlivensoftware.com, or you've always got access to support from your online support here, as well as a phone number and email address to access support. So don't hesitate if you have questions, and thanks for watching.